They all coming running. Well, not running, but well, Honey is. They always think I have something. Uh-oh. My baby's choking, man. What's up? Jack! See, you should never, what are they called? Neigh? Or hee-haw? When you got food in your mouth. Didn't your mama teach you that? Now you're choking. Yes. No. And I don't know donkey CPR. And I'm showing the heck. Well, I might do mouth to mouth if it came down to it. If I had to. I'm going to save my baby. One day. Uh-oh. My baby. I thought I heard it come up. You're chewing it now. That's funny. My baby. Mwah. You got me what I was saying. Oh, one day, down the road maybe, when things get better, I'll try to see if I can find another donkey, but a female, that needs the help and rescued. And I might get him for him. So he'll have her because he likes Lily, but Lily has attitude and always kicking him and bossing around. I want somebody that he can love and not have to worry about being kicked all the time or bossed around. He deserves it, don't you, Jack? Jack. Stop looking at the goats. Ooh. Here, pat your back. There. What's this behind me, man? That one. The other day. Look how fat she's gotten since she's been here. It's crazy. But, I was sitting right there where Ramsey is. And my daughter's dog, because they live with me in another section of the house, but her dog came out and got underneath the chair, and this goat went to go ram her and hit my leg. I thought she broke my leg, but it's fine. It's still sore, but I was like, that was shocking. Gotta get her friendlier. She ornery. I take the baby in the shop every day and I feed her by herself, trying to get her gain some weight. This one's getting fat too. And look way up there in the shade. Yep. That's my so-called watchdog. Annabelle, what are you doing? Laid up in that shade. Go away, honey. Ramsey! Look how fat he is. If you go back and you look at some of the videos when I first got him I rescued him in Georgia. My gosh, they were so skinny. Now look how fat. He's bulky. That's what I love about helping animals, to watch them go from bad to good. It makes me happy. I mean, sometimes it can be stressful because, finances and stuff. But I'll always make sure they eat very well. Oh, baby. See? No, it's not some kind of disease or anything. It started as soon as he... It started as soon as he... Don't snot on me. He went to go hee-haw at me, and he had food in his mouth, and it went in. Yes, my God, I love this animal. Everybody needs a donkey in their life because they will take you from, and they're almost like therapy. Yes, they're almost like therapy. My baby. I hate having him in here, but as I've said so many times, I'm scared he's gonna hurt the goats. What are y'all doing back here? Why are you being mean to them? Don't be mean. There's no place for meanness. We all have to love one another. Okay? We don't want no one having to run away or be scared or stress out. We all want to enjoy our lives. Okay? Okay. Hi, pretty girl. She's just eating away on them leaves. You're making me hungry. I haven't even ate today yet. What you eating so many leaves for?